Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do text masking effect. This is an update of a tutorial that I did earlier. I got this message: good afternoon everyone, I want to learn how to make this effect. Can someone help me or indicate a video link? Thanks for your attention. So I decided to create this effect on his behalf. But before we start, if you are not already a subscriber to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. To begin this tutorial, I will first need to import my video or an image, anything that you want to use in this video. I'll right click here and go to insert a video track. I'll place in my text, go to media generators, select legacy text and pick the default one. This way, type in your text. You can pick your font, any font you want, select it here, and you can also select the font size over here. Then increase to 72 or 90, that way. Close it. This is it. Now, since the video needs to play for a couple of seconds before the text comes in, then I will need to split this video at the section where I want my text to come in. Maybe as from this part, I will split the video exactly this way. I'll pull this one at the top, then I will insert another video track here, another video track, this exactly this way. I will place my text here so that it touches this, should be aligned this same way. Okay, so your text is going to last for 10 seconds. You can increase, you can reduce depending on what you want. I will resize this one back here. Now for your video to be seen inside this text, you simply go to the track header. This is the track header. Select composite mode, click, and you choose multiple mask. The video is now inside the text. If I play as from here, this is how it's gonna look like. Now to make it zoom in gradually, you go to the event pan crop of your text. That is it. Place your cursor here so that you can view the image the way you want. Now make sure you check the scene cursor. Place your cursor at the very beginning of your text, at the very beginning of your text timeline. Now place your text. Make sure your cursor is at the very beginning. Make sure you check the low aspect ratio is checked, and also the size about center is held, or you can hold Alt to do that. Place your cursor here, and then you simply press and maintain while dragging downward until the text disappears onto your screen this way. Okay, you can scroll to zoom to see where the text is going to enter into your. Let me do this. I want it to come inside here, this text. Yeah, this way. Okay, you see everything disappears on your screen. Now you drag this one to the end, and then you right click, go to restore. That we just created a zoom in text. That way. So if I start to play from the very beginning, I will have this. That is it. Okay, next, should in case this you wanted to add another text or a background color as you saw in the video, that means you will have to auto save this one. You have to render this as a transparent background, because as from this place, what you see here to be dark is just an empty area. It is a transparent. Since we used the multiple mask, you cannot longer add another solid color or another video being that will not be seen. If solid color white, if I place it here, you see that that color is not shown in our video. So I will delete that. I'll delete that. Okay. Or if you want to add another text like in the video, that means you will need to use Photoshop. So this is a text that I created. Yeah, this is the text. So if I use this to represent the text that is in that video, memories of the wall, that means you go to file, you go to new, and then you set this to 1920, 1910, 1080. That is the full that is in full HD mode. Then you go to OK, and now this is what we have. You simply place your text, you type whatever thing you want this way, you save it, then you can position the image this way. This is the same thing I did here. You see, there you still pick another text, you create this one, the different font size and font type, and another one is okay. At the end, you make sure you mute this background so that you save it as a PNG. Whenever you see this, it means this image is saved as a PNG. So if I go to File, Save As, click on this drop arrow and select PNG format, this PNG, I can save it on my desktop so that I see easily. Mask, and then go to save and OK. Right. That means if you are not satisfied with this, you will now use the text I created in Photoshop. So I will import that text. I take that text. Okay, I will go back to my desktop. Where is that? Okay, I'll place it here. This is the image. Or if you are satisfied with this, you can render the image and then you place another one. So let me remove this one and place this one. Resize it. Go back to event and crop. Place your cursor at the very beginning. Do the same thing. Zoom this way. Zoom this way. Up. Now this way. I click restore. This is how it goes now. If you want this text to come in after a couple of seconds, you go to event pan crop, click mask. This is mask. Go to the very beginning, select your anchor creation tool, mask out just this one, can zoom, mask out just this one. This way, I think that is okay. Mask out carefully, or when creating your text in Photoshop, don't make it too bit closer, right this way. So I just did the masking. If I play here, you see that just the Armando media is coming. Now go to wherever you want the text, the other text to show. Click here plus. Make sure you are on the mask track. This is mask, it is active. If I go to position, then it is this other one that I can zoom in. So go to mask here. I will forward it a bit. I want the text to appear now. This text, click here on the normal edit tool and then pull this slide, pull this, and pull this, so there the text appears. If I play, here you come, the text appears. Go over here again, another one, then you just animate it again, plus, and then I want it to appear. Now do the same thing, so just pull this one, just bring this one so that it covers the entire text this way. That is it. This one appears and this one also appears. At the end you can add a fade out transition this way. Okay, now remember I'm doing this for tutorial sake, so I won't show all the details. This is just an update. If you look into what I did earlier, you have more information or more guides on how to do this. Now if you want the background video, it means you have to render this one. You have to render this one as a PNG file. That means you will click here where the video starts and press I, that is to add your loop region, and where the video ends, please, and then you also press 0. That's where the loop region stops. Then you can double click here, go to file, and then render as. Make sure nothing is beneath this place, is on the below track, because you need to render that as the PNG. Go to file, render as. Now on the render as, you need to select QuickTime. If you don't have QuickTime installed into your computer, check the link I included in the description, or you check the YouTube time card on how to render transparent videos using QuickTime. Select QuickTime and then go to Alpha channel. Yeah, this is what I did earlier, so my settings are already okay. So if you use the link, you will definitely know how to do this tutorial. Okay, go to Alpha channel and then go to customize, but my settings are already okay. I want to place it on this video. Select, yeah, and then go to render. So I will be right back. Okay, now that we just finished creating our PNG video, we're going to create another video project. Alright, this is what we created as a PNG video. Okay, right click on the video, go to properties, select media, go to Alpha channel and set straight on method, go to OK. Now you see, if you place a background, now go to media generators, select solid color and pick the background you want. Drag it. Now if if you play this video, you will see that as from that position the videos go, you have this white background. That is it. That is the effect we were looking for with the background. Now you can render this. Go to File, Render As. This time around you will select the Sony ABC, or you don't pick the QuickTime 7th rendering format again. This one, YouTube render. You can go to customize or whatever I want. Set the name, masking effect, and let me just set it that way. Select where you want your video to be saved. I want it to be saved here. Go to OK. So I will be right back after the rendering process. Okay, now that our rendering is over, go to Open Folder. So this is what we will have at the end. I think this is the effect you guys were looking for. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell also, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I will see you in the next tutorial.